Stop using pills to detox. Try the 6 recipes. Detoxing isn't starving, it's cleansing your body with natural ingredients. Beetroot, cucumber, ginger helps flush toxins and refresh your body after heavy eating. Blend beetroot, watermelon, ginger for blood cleansing or cucumber, plus pineapple and mint for hydration. Drink daily for a week to reset your system. You'll marvel at the outcome. Here is to help Nigerians eat smarter, live longer, and still enjoy every bite of our local favorites. Because healthy food isn't foreign, it's Nigerian. It's simple and it's powerful. Follow me every Friday for more tips that blends food, health, and science. I am Ayodele Favor, the Healthy Food Chemist.